They weren't misinterpreted, they were misrepresented, and they were misrepresented deliberately, because I never said what is being attributed to me. What I said, we were talking about an ad published.
Every little hurts ad.
Yeah, an ad published in the final week of the election campaign. And when I was explaining child benefit and the reason for the decision on child benefit, Sean O'Rourke said to me, hold on now, you didn't explain any of that at the time. You kept it very simple. And I said, isn't that what you do during an election?
Yeah.
And especially if you're talking about an ad, you don't have any choice but keep it simple. So, I mean, it was one of these misrepresentations, and, you know, in this business, you can't really do very much about that except explain what happened. The people who are alleging it against me know bloody well what the situation is, and, you know.
Yeah.